See you at bike night. What's up, y'all? It's WIGSLY. Welcome back to another glorious episode. Alright, I'm on the way to the Shark Club again on a Thursday for bike night, hosted by Boomer. You guys saw a little bit of that last week, and we went and looked at some bikes this week at Boomer's. Fell in love with a Sportster that I've been thinking about. That Sportster. I've been like really thinking about that Sportster. You know how, well, I guess if you're a man, I don't want to assume your gender, but young men, you know, we have the sex dreams. I have bike dreams. I wake up in a cold sweat in the middle of the night thinking I have to be able to afford it. I need more jobs, more money. I need to hit the lottery so I can buy all the bikes. No, I believe it's my destiny to get on that matte black Sportster we saw. This guy, huge rush, was changing lanes behind me like 4 times. Couldn't get it figured out what lane he wanted to be in, because he wanted to be in whatever the he just wanted to be in whatever lane was the fastest lane, and then, you know, if somebody wasn't going fast enough in front of him, I don't know, he really wanted to pass me. So yeah, bike nights are a funny thing, kind of. I love bike nights. You know, bikers get a bad rap. You know, there's a lot of people that think that, you know, we're all degenerates and dirtbags and scum of the earth, and, you know, people are judgy, whatever. But bike nights are a great example of why you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. For the most part, 99% of people that I meet at bike nights are cool, man. They're there for the same reason as you. We all love motorcycles. We all have motorcycles. Let's hang out. Let's have a beer. Let's talk about our bikes. And last week when I came up here with my GoPro and, you know, I was telling people about my channel, they all seemed really receptive to it. Nobody was like, oh, keep me off the camera or anything like that. So look at that. There's a good crowd here already. It's like 7 o'clock-ish. Let's take a ride around the parking lot. Hi, I told you I'd see you at bike night. Yeah. Harley, 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 Harley. Ooh, purple and yellow. I like these bags, these leather streamliners, I think they're called. Let's park in the back because we're on a Honda and we're ashamed. This is sleek looking. It's cool. The paint job on the bags matches the tank. Alright, into neutral on the first try this time. Last week I had issues. Oh yeah, that's that new Indian bagger. It's pretty sweet. It's kind of weird how the triple tree and the risers and the backs of the forks is all exposed from the view of the rider. But it's definitely a cool bike. I really like those fenders. The whole thing's got a real sleek look to it. Hell yeah. Hey, there's my buddy from last week that told me about racing John Atherton and crashing. He was cool. Let's go say hi to that guy. What's up, dude? How you doing?
Good. How you been?
Good.
Yeah,
Riding all week, man.
yeah, there you go.
How you doing, sir?
Doing well.
This is yours, right?
No,
this is yours?
It is.
What is this?
It's a 2013 Ultra CBO.
I like it. All right, man, I'll see you in there.
So next week it's all over. It's like Christmas. It's all done. What are we doing? We're gonna have a band next week. We're gonna have free buffet dinner next week.
All right, this is Boomer. Boomer is the shit. Boomer is talking about getting me on a Harley out of his shop.
Yes.
And I think we know that that's what we want to do.
On quick, easy financing.
So come up to Boomer's, Dixie Highway in Waterford. Check out Boomer. Tell him WIGSLY sent you.
Hope to see you guys there soon. And make sure you're here next week is the last bike night. You can win a free Harley.
I'm going to win that free Harley.
Free Harley, and then you don't need to buy one.
That's right.
All right, we're giving it away next week. Next week, free buffet dinner. We got tons of prizes to give away. We're giving away the Harley, a band. It'll be an awesome night. Hope everybody comes out.
And good food.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
You can trust the fat guy.
All right, we got another winner. What's your name, sir?
Bill.
Bill?
Yes, sir.
All right, what is this, Bill?
The 81 Suzuki, 1,000 cc's.
And you hardtailed it yourself?
Yep. We
This
did all
thing
the
is
cuts.
chopped. I dig it, man. Should ride hard over bumps?
She's got me pissing blood.
That's a sweet bike. I like that. I don't like all bobbers, but I like that bobber. Come on, bro. He revved his engine. You have to rev yours. I knew it. Hey, so now that I awkwardly rolled up here, man, let me give you this. Take one for your buddy, too. I'm your local moto vlogger. I come to bike nights and talk to people about their bikes and stuff.
Okay.
What are you riding here?
The 2009 Sportster.
2009 Sportster, 1200?
Fuck, I think it's the 1683 or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's sweet. I dig it, man.
Thanks, man.
Cool, ride safe, dude.
Yeah, you too, man.
Another fun night at the Shark Club. Don't pull out in front of me. Thank you. All right, you guys, well, that was fun. We got to meet Boomer, talk to Boomer a little bit, and off camera, we talked about that Sportster in the last episode. And Boomer would like to see me on that Sportster, I think, almost as much as I would like to see me on it. And so, we're gonna work something out. And we're gonna work it out as quickly as possible before the spring. Big shout out to Boomer, big shout out to Sharks Club, big shout out to Boomer's Bike Shop on Dixie in Waterford. The Sharks Club's on Highland M59 in Waterford. I have a ton of fun there. I went up there tonight alone. I made friends. I talked to a bunch of people who were super interested in the channel and showed me their bikes, and we saw another trophy winner. So that guy, Bill lives right down the road from me. Bill lives like, I'm gonna say tops 5 miles away. And he tears bikes apart and rebuilds them and does cool stuff with them. Said he has like 7 bikes, which is insanity. And he's gonna help get Nate back on his bike. Nate's my roommate. Nate bought me this GoPro. Nate's responsible for this YouTube channel existing. He's sort of my first sponsor, I guess, and his bike doesn't run. Nate rides a sweet ass bobber that has this electrical issue, and Bill says he can fix it. So Bill's gonna fix it. He offered straight up, man. Shout out to Bill. I hope you see this video, dude, because you're the man. I love people like you who meet a new person and say, oh hey, you're having this problem, I'm the solution to your problem. We're friends now, come on over. Bill's the shit, and Boomer's the shit. And before I go, guys, I've got two other shout outs to make. One is to Steve Chapesky over at OOMM Studios. Steve took the logo that I designed. Right now, the bottom right corner of your screen, it's sitting there. And Steve is an artist and graphic designer and a good friend of mine, and Steve went ahead and made that logo crispy and cut it all out, and there's no border. Thank you very much, Steve. I'm gonna put a link to Steve's Instagram on the screen at the bottom. Shout out to Rob. Rob, you know who you are, Rob with 2 B's. Robert the Highlander of Clan Mackay. I know you work Thursdays, but next Thursday is the last bike night of the year, and bike night's our tradition. And I don't care if you have to ride your Harley to work in the morning and then ride straight to bike night after. This is a shout out to you, and this is a shout out to the missus and the mama. Rob has to come to bike night. I demand it. I implore it. It's an executive decision. Do not defy your king. I am WIGSLY, the first of his name, Lord of the Cats, ruler of the apartment, and the warden of Waterford. And I demand the presence of my Roberto. This is it for this episode. Thank you again for tuning in so much. Let's keep subscribing. Hit the subscribe button. Let your friends know. Get them to subscribe. We're trying to hit 100 right now. We're halfway there. I posted a video begging and pleading for more subscriptions, and I got 10 within like 2 hours, and that was killer, and I appreciate it. Leave me comments. Let me know what you think of the videos. Let me know what you'd like to see. If there's other kind of content you guys would like to see, then I want to make it. And until next time, I'm WIGSLY, and I'll see you on the road.